Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to share with you another beautiful style. And yeah, don't forget, it is just an idea on how you can style your hair. If you are new here, I also have other videos with short, long, and medium hair. You can go through my channel, my other videos, and check it out. Maybe you will find something that you like, right? But for today, for those who have been following me for a while, you know I've cut my hair, and I did it because I just wanted to I wanted to give a chance for my edges to grow, and so far I am enjoying it short. And I think I prefer to have those short hair, right? It is easy to style, and especially when it is pixie, I think I am enjoying it. So you guys, I bought this curly hair on Amazon, and I cut it into four because I'm going to do some twists, and because I don't want it long, guys, I don't have time to sit for long. I don't have that patience, really. So I prefer to cut it short. I just want something crazy on my pixie hair, right? So yeah, I decided to share it with you. Maybe it might be a good idea for you if you have uh short hair. But if you have long hair and you are looking for another beautiful hairstyle, you can go through my other videos, right? Otherwise, yeah, I would like you to continue watching, and don't forget, every product used in this particular video will be listed in my description box, and my playlist will also be listed in the comment section in case you are looking for another hairstyle for your hair type, right? I also have curly hairstyles. You can just go through, and yeah, you finally find something that you like. Yeah, continue watching, and if today is your first time, thank you for passing by, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you don't mind. And to my old subscribers, I love you all, guys. Thank you for your support. And yeah, continue watching and let me know under the comment section, how do I look? Otherwise, let's go to our daily motivation. And I love you all until we meet in my next video. Mwah.
In life, we're going to face many challenges, many moments of adversity. There are going to be a lot of successes and some failures too. Those moments are going to create your character, build your integrity, and they will become your beauty marks. On your journey in life, you may hear a lot more no's than yeses, but you'll let those moments motivate you, and those that said no will eventually wish they would have said yes. And you will know that all is possible because of God's grace.